How to fix if you are unable to receive any notification on your Facebook Messenger. So today in this video, I'll be talking about some of the fixes to fix this. Here you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now you can see here is my conversation with my friends on Messenger. So in order to fix, you have to check your notification of Messenger. For that, tap over the 3-bar horizontal line at the left upper corner. And you have to tap on settings option at the right upper corner. Over here you have to scroll down and here is notifications and sound option. Just tap over there and make sure all of the notification over here are turned on. Right now it's already turned on, so you just have to make sure that it's already on. You can also go for ringtone and you can select a ringtone that you want to have while having a phone call on Messenger over here, and you can select other option according to your preference. Now you just can go back, and the next thing is you have to swipe down your notification panel and you have to see whether or not sound option is turned on. So if your phone is in vibration or in silent mode, then you won't be able to get the notification. So you just have to turn off that and you have to turn on the sound mode, and by doing that also you'll be able to get the notification on Facebook Messenger. This is the second thing. Now the third thing is you have to go back, and here you have to push and hold over Messenger and go for app info. In this section you just have to go for notifications, and here also you have to make sure that all the notifications for the chat, call and other options are turned on. By doing that also you will be able to get the notification easily. And the last thing is you have to check whether or not you are connected to strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. So if your network connection is weak, then you won't be updated with the new messages or calls on Messenger, so you won't be able to find any of the notification. So this is the thing. So if you work against this problem, you will be able to fix your problem easily. So hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.